In this session, we are going to discuss about the different type of testing techniques. Which are comes under the STLC software testing life cycle. In the software development process, majorly two teams are involved. One is the developer and programmer. Another one is the QA quality analyst and testers. In the developers, they are basically develop the program as per customer requirement. And the QA and testers are completely responsible for the testing. Once they build the software as per the customer requirement, they are doing the certain testing which is known as the unit testing. They will test the internal logic of the program. Unit is nothing but it can be single component, single program and single module. In this we will test according to this, and if there are multiple components like there's module 1, module 2 and module 3. These are the three modules, and similarly they have communicate each other. Suppose what the output this program giving the input, like this is the output of the what output we are getting from this program, it's come under the input to the this program, and what we get the output from this program, this is coming the input to the this program. That is called as the integration testing, but they don't do the complete testing. Once they do the testing, then they integrate the program into a build and package executable format that we install into the QA environment, and then we do the testing. We do the system testing. It is the end-to-end testing, means complete software testing. Before getting the build from the developer, tester do the certain task, like they go through the customer requirement and prepare the test plan. Then prepare the test cases. On the test data, they will do the testing. In the system testing, we don't know internal logic of the program. We just do testing according to the customer requirement. It's come under the black box testing, whereas unit testing and integration testing come under the white box testing, because in this we are testing the internal logic of the software. After the system testing, we have performed the UAT, it's a user acceptance testing. Once the tester team done the testing, they will hand over the software to the customer. Customer don't do on the live environment, they will do the testing on the testing environment, and they take some time for testing, and according to the customer requirement document, if they found any bug, they will report. And once the testing is done from the UAT team and they verify it's working fine, then we'll deploy the software into the live environment. After the UAT, it's known as the user acceptance testing. System testing is the main important phase where the teams will involve like manual tester, automation tester is involved in the system, because in this we want to know the complete requirement of the customer and need to test the system. We need to do some types of testing into the system testing. There are some types involved like regression testing, functional and non-functional testing, ad hoc testing, V-model testing, smoke testing, snatching testing. There's the n number of system testing. Thank you.